This is a gavel I used when I presided over the passage of Medicare and when he presided over the passage of legislation called ACA. Its legislation takes care of the American people. I'm willing to loan it to my Republican colleagues if they'll use it in a good cause. It's even been on television with The Daily Show. But what is important here is you're going to win the vote, but you're going to lose the case and the debate because the American people know what you're trying to take away from them. I'll loan you the gavel if you'll promise to use it for something good, because it's a fine piece of wood and its tasks in terms of dealing with the public's concerns are not yet done. But having said these things, I say shame. You're wasting the time of the American people. You're wasting the time of the Congress. You've told us how you're going to repeal and replace. Where is the replacement? It is not to be seen. Where are the steps that you should be taking about jobs and opportunity for the American people? They're not to be seen. You have the gavel, use it. Use the leadership that the people have given you to lead the Congress of the United States. The Democrats will work with you, but you won't work with us and you won't work for the American people. The time of dealing with the business of this nation is short.
Gentleman's time has expired.
And the needs of the American people are great. But nowhere are we seeing anything done by our Republican colleagues except to get up and to
Gentleman's time has expired.
I say have a more enlightened outlook and to proceed to do the nation's business well.
The President said throughout the health care debate, as did former Speaker Pelosi and my colleagues on the other side of the aisle, that this health care law was not a tax. Well, we now know that the Supreme Court has spoken. It is a tax. Madam Speaker, it's time to stop all the broken promises and get back to the kind of health care people in this country want. Washington-based care is not the answer. There is a better way to go about improving the health care system in this country. The American people want patient-centered care that allows them to make the very personal decisions about health care with their families and their doctors. They want to keep the care they like. They want to see costs come down. And they want health care to be more accessible. That is the kind of health care we on the Republican side of the aisle support, and frankly, the type of care that the vast majority of the American people support.